Okay, we're gonna go to lesson 6, buy and sell zones. Now this is a very important set. We had learned the trend lines. Now we're gonna learn which zone is to buy, which zone is to sell. Now the basic rule is when the candles or the price is above or to the north of the trend line, it's called the buy zone. When it's below the trend line, it's called the sell zone. That's when it's in an uptrend. Now, right here, when it's in a downtrend, as long as it stays below the trend line, it's a sell zone. When it goes above that trend line, it's called a buy zone. Now, we're going to learn how to operate these trend line breaks, especially when the market is channeling and it enters into a sell zone. So the market's in a buy zone. We wait for it to break to get into the sell zone. Okay. Same thing, and you're going to see sometimes the market will continue and kind of make another zone right here, and we'll wait for another break to get into the sell zone. Okay, so usually if it breaks scenario 1, it can make another channel. Scenario 2, it goes to the outer trend line, like this right here, broke, went to the outer trend line. Or scenario 3, we get a big reversal. Okay, and we're going to learn how to spot right here and draw our counter trend lines right here to get in on these trade. Okay, so because you can see right here, and I'll actually draw right here. Okay, when the market broke, we want to draw. The market tends to accumulate, draw our counter trend line, and right here would be our good entry point to capture this drop. Now this lesson is very important because um, basically this is the one that's going to give you your entry point. You can start making a lot of money if you just learned how to spot these trades right here. Okay, you can see a trend line break, kind of went sideways, then it gave another trend line break right here, another trend line break right here. So once you see the impulse buys, then it gives another impulse, continues dropping to the downside right here. Okay. Um, so let's actually look at this in the live market. Where you say right here, so you can see right here on the 4-hour chart, and actually I'll draw this trend line right here. So you can see how it was going down, 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 boom, broke out. Okay, right here the market was in the sell zone, got into the buy zone, and took off again. Okay, now you can see right here the market broke this downward trend line and then gave several impulse down right here. Okay, where you could have taken these trades to the downside. Now, for example, I took one of these trades right here. If you look at the euro, oh sorry, it's the euro cat. The euro, well, let's look at the euro dollar. Is a good example right here. And we'll go down to a 4-hour chart. Okay. Now, from right here, and you'll see how many trade opportunities you had right here. Here broke a trend line, started going down, uh, kind of broke this trend line right here, went down. Last night I caught in this trade. You can see how I accumulated, broke down right here. In two candles, we had a nice trend right when it entered the sell zone. Right here, you can see how it entered the sell zone. Two candles, 96 pips. That's $960. You just want to learn how to draw these. Pound dollar has been doing a lot of this. Look at this break. Look at this break. It just took a couple hours ago. This break. Boom, boom, boom. Heading to the downside. You can make a lot of money uh, just learning how to draw these buy and sell zones. Ali CAD did a real nice one. You can see how it just broke this trend line, huge move to the downside, taking that trade. Okay, so these buy and sell zones, like I said, once you learn how to draw these trend lines, you're gonna learn how to buy these um, sell zones. You want to become part of my team here, and I'll teach you guys how to find these. You're gonna get the alerts. You become sign up for Wealth Generator alerts. They have an app which give you alert. Plus, you're gonna be in my team. I'm gonna coach you personally, so you learn how to find these in the market. So you want to sign up. Okay, you want to become a qualified generator. It's $120. Plus, you're going to activate the alert. So the first month, you're going to pay $300, which is real cheap for education. Plus, you're going to get my coaching right here. So it's $49 one time, plus the $129 for the first month of the alerts. So you can pay $300 a month, plus $300 the first to sign up, and then 30 days later every month, $129. Now the nice thing is you're going to be able to refer people and make money referring. If you already refer 3, you're already making more money than its cost. So you just want to fill out right here, sign up, put your credit card in, put process. Once you process and you go continue, you get the confirmation. They're going to give you a username and password. You want to go to and download the app, the Wealth Generators app. Okay. And as soon as you sign up, I'll contact you so you start getting into my coaching sessions, which I'm going to show you how to trade also. So on top of getting alerts, you're also going to learn how to trade and find these trend line breaks. Okay, so see you guys on the next lesson. Go to WG Alerts, sign up today, become part of my team.